Happy birthday to Mosey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mosey. Happy birthday to you.
Where's the candles?
And many more. Not yet. Tonight when you have your cake. Happy birthday. How old are you?
7.
7. And how old are you?
9.
And how old are you?
How old are you?
He forgot.
I can't remember.
Guess what?
2 years old.
You are a twin with Brigham, which means you're also 9.
No, he's 2 years old.
Isn't that weird?
He's 2 years old.
And how old are you?
I just turned 36.
He's 36.
Can you ever believe I was this young?
Exactly right. Someday, when you guys are all watching this video, and Dad will be really old and he'll have gray hair and he'll be walking around with a cane. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye-bye, camera.
Oh, I have to say. And I am...
Hey, where did this food
How old
come
am I?
from?
I'm 34. That's it.